Okay, so the site is plugco.in as you can see on the screen. So let us visit that page. The plug is only available on App Store right now, Apple App Store. Android users can only browse through Google Chrome or some browser. So this is the app basically, where there are different applications which we can share through our referral links. We can create our referral links of different applications here. And as you can see, there are hundreds and thousands of applications here, and the price varies for different applications. You can choose any amount of applications and share your referral links for them to your network. And when someone downloads through your link, you will get paid. As you can see my profile here, it's the Silence Speaks. I have earned almost about $500, and these payments are legit. To get your money, you will need a PayPal account through which the foreign payments are transferred. The plug app will pay you on your PayPal account. Here's the proof of the payments. The payments got received through plug app in my PayPal account, and the PayPal automatically transfers the payment to your bank account, as you can see. So for sure, this app is really legit, and you can earn money through it if you have a good network on English audience, like English countries. So you can definitely use this app to earn money through social media.